What's up? What's up? Is your man Jimmy Chan. All right, so here I need to graph this rational function x2 over x minus 3. So, a couple of things I need to find, right? Number one, I need to find the x-intercept. Well, the x-intercept, I know that the y is equal to 0. So in that case, if y is equal to 0, the only time this fraction can be 0 is if the 2x is equal to 0, so x is equal to 0. So this tells me I have a point 0, 0 as my x-intercept. And then I need to find the y-intercept. Well, the y-intercept, I know that x is equal to 0. So if x is equal to 0, then 2 times 0 over 0 minus 3, well, that is going to tell me that y is going to equal to 0. So same thing, I have 0, comma 0 as my x-intercept. I have to find my vertical asymptote. My vertical asymptote is located at x equals 3. And then I have to find my horizontal asymptote. Well, if I look at the highest power on top, that's x. The highest power on the bottom, that's also x. So the powers are the same. So my horizontal asymptote is going to be the ratio of their coefficient. So it's going to be y equals 2, or 2 over 1, which is just 2. So there I go. I have this. All right, so I have my x and y intercept are both at 0, 0. Okay. My vertical asymptote is at x equals 3. My horizontal asymptote is at y equals 2. There we go. Now the question is, what part of this is this going to be located? Well, I see that it's going to cross 0, 0. All right. So I got to see, I'm going to guess that this is going to curve in this direction. I guess it could cross in this direction because the horizontal asymptote could be crossed. So, but anyways, since here is my so-called vertical asymptote, I'm going to go ahead and create a table around that vertical asymptote. Okay, so let me see here. The vertical asymptote is at 3. Right, because I want the x and the y. So here, I'm going to graph 2 to the left and 2 to the right. There we go. So since the vertical asymptote is at 3, let's see what's happening on to the left side, which would be what? 2 and 1. And to the right would be 4 and 5, right? Because I know that at 3, it's going to be, it doesn't exist because it is the vertical asymptote, right? So I know that. So let's take a look. If we plug 2 into the equation, we have, 1. If we plug 1 into the equation, it will be 2 times 1, which is 2 on top, over negative 2. So I'm going to get a negative 1. When I plug 2 in there, 2 times 2 is 4. 2 minus 3 is negative 1. So I'm going to have a negative 4. At 4, 2 times 4 is 8. 4 minus 3 is 1. So I'm going to have 8. 5, 2 times 5 is 10. 5 minus 3 is 2. So that's going to be 5. All right, so let's go ahead and plot that. 1, negative 1. Okay, 1, negative 1. 2, -4. And then at 4, it's going to be 8, 2, 4, 6, 8. And at 5, it's going to be 5. 2, 4, 5. Okay, so as I can see here, I'm going to guess that this is going to look something like this. All right, so it's probably going to look something like this. All right. So if we were to look at the pictures, it looks like it's going to be a choice C. And there we go. Hope that helps. If you have any questions, let me know. See ya.